Regarding the issue with the loose synchronous pulley on your Tina2 Plus, I would like to provide you with the necessary instructions for addressing this problem. As the synchronous pulleys on these models are machine die cast, if the pulley becomes loose, it will require you to replace the X motor entirely. To begin, inspect the synchronous pulley to check if it is loose. Enter your printer's prepared interface and find Theme of Axis option. Choose X to move the nozzle and Y to move the platform. Initiating movement will lock the X-Y motors. Rotate the button. Gently attempting to move it. And if there is noticeable slippage or looseness, this confirms the need for a motor replacement. Carefully unscrew the 4 screws, securing the X motor in place. Carefully remove the damaged motor from its packaging, ensuring that you handle it with caution to avoid any additional harm. Once you have the damaged motor removed, proceed to replace it with a fully functional one. When installing the motor, it is essential to press the motor down manually to ensure that the belt tension is optimal. This step ensures proper elasticity and alignment. Once the motor is securely installed, verify the belt's smoothness by running a test. Use the previously established testing methods to ensure that the belt operates without any irregularities or abnormal resistance. Prepared interface and find Theme of Axis option. Choose X to move the nozzle and Y to move the platform. Initiating movement will lock the X-Y motors. Rotate the button. Now, try to move the platform and nozzle manually. Should you encounter any difficulties or require further clarification, please do not hesitate to reach out.